Hi everyone, Arnoldo here from the Protocase team, and today I'm going to go over two new artwork resolution options that we now offer with our digital printing process. Our mission at Protocase is to manufacture your sheet metal and CNC machine parts and enclosures quickly, so you can meet your project timelines and stay productive. But it's not just about being fast. We offer a wide variety of materials, hardware, and finishes, so that you can get the custom parts as you envision them. Digital printing is a big part of our one-stop custom manufacturing facility. It is an excellent option for the graphics on your custom parts because it is incredibly flexible, offers the full spectrum of CMYK colors, and can achieve highly complex graphics with overlapping colors. If you want to dig into the key differences between digital print and silkscreen, our previous Proto Tech Tip is a great place to start. We've got a link to that below. We have recently made improvements to our digital print process with the power of choice. Now you can select between our standard resolution and our premium resolution. Let's go over each option and when they should ideally be used. Our standard resolution is 720 dpi, or dots per inch. This option is great for most basic applications. For instance, if your part has text-only graphics for labeling connectors and other cutouts, standard resolution will work great. Same works for simple logos or images that measure less than 0.5 inches wide. This is our default digital print resolution. But what if your part has complex or large graphics? That's where our premium resolution comes in. At 1440 dpi, it doubles the number of dots per inch compared to our standard offering. You should opt for premium resolution if you have graphics that are fairly complex or that contain sharp color gradients. Large logos or images that are more than 0.5 inches wide also benefit from this option. Now let's talk powder coat and bare metal finishes. We recommend choosing premium resolution for your custom parts if you're using a high gloss or Sandtex powder coat, as well as non-painted alternatives such as grain finish, anodized, and chem film. Otherwise, if you're opting for a matte or low gloss powder coat and your design contains simple graphics or text only, standard resolution will look great. The reason for this recommendation relates to something called banding, which is the appearance of lines or bands at close proximity. This is expected from digital print output due to how the UV ink is applied and cured directly on the substrate. Choosing standard resolution does not mean your art will have defects. It only means that banding will be more apparent at a closer glance if a demanding substrate is selected. With premium resolution, banding is almost unnoticeable in these scenarios. Our inspection process for artwork includes an arm's length visual evaluation under a direct, non-glancing light. Our production and quality personnel are trained to identify and correct print non-conformances such as haze, spattering, ghosting, color mismatch, and art misalignment. There is an additional charge for premium resolution since it requires twice the amount of print passes and therefore twice the machine time than standard resolution. However, your lead time will remain exactly the same. Our website has some great information about each resolution option, as well as some sample photos. But if you're still unsure which digital print resolution to choose, we've also got a tool on our website that will make a recommendation based on the powder coat type, graphic type, and colors in your design. So, to wrap up, let's summarize. Simple, small graphics or text only, standard resolution. Matte or low gloss powder coat, standard resolution. Large ink areas or sharp multicolor gradients, premium resolution. High gloss powder coat, definitely premium resolution. Ultimately, the choice is yours. You can select the best digital print resolution to fit the particular graphics on your part and your budget. We are here to help make your design come to life as you envision it, so let us know what you need. We have also got many other Proto Tech tips about graphics, including silkscreen, fonts, raster versus vector images, and more. Don't forget to check those links out below in the description. Thank you very much for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. We'll see you back here next week.